Hi, I'm Ken Lightman. I'm the owner of Lightman Streams. On this video, I'm gonna teach you how to set up your stream on RadioBOSS, being it on Shortcast or Icecast. A couple of things before we begin though. Please bear with my bad English and expect a lot of mess ups coming up. This video is not scripted, it's not edited. Well, see, mess ups. It's not scripted, not edited, and well, it's gonna happen. I'm just trying to help you guys and trying to make a video tutorial to be as simple and straightforward as possible. Another thing, this video works with any stream, not just the ones I rent. So if you know anyone that wants to learn how to set up a stream on a software, just share this video with them and they should be all set. All right, so let's begin. So we will open RadioBOSS. Okay, this is a trial version, of course. So we are going to Settings, Options. Now we're going to Broadcast, and we are going to click the plus button and add a new broadcast. We can use the configuration wizard. It helps. So for Shortcast, we are going to use the Shortcast v2. Okay, now the server address. This information is going to be provided to you on the note card. If you rent from me, you are going to receive a note card with all this information for your particular stream. So you just copy paste it. It should be something like live.lightmanstreams.com. Your port is going to be wherever it's on your note card, and your password as well. The stream ID is going to be 1. Okay, now on the sample rate, encoder, bitrate, etc., we want to set the sample rate to 48,000, the encoder to MP3, the bitrate to 320, and the channels on stereo. This guarantees the best sound quality possible for your listeners and your audience, because we all know how important that is. You can be the best DJ in the world, but if you don't have a good sounding stream, it's kind of pointless. So this guarantees the best sound quality possible. So we click OK and we activate it. And it's connected to server and it's already playing a song. Let's test it out, see if everything is working as it should. It is. On the browser it's working. But what's important is if it's working on Second Life. Let's see. Let's put the URL in. You will also have the URL on your note card, so no worries there. Give it a second and let it play. There it is. So that is pretty much it for Shortcast. Now let's go with Icecast. Let's stop this. Okay, now we're going back to the settings, options, going back to broadcast, and we are going to change this to Icecast. We're going to select Icecast, and it's pretty much the same thing. Now on server address, it's going to be a different server address, different port. For the username, it's going to be source by default. If you rent a stream from me, the username by default for Icecast, it's going to be source, and the mount point is going to be /live by default. These are the differences between Icecast and Shortcast. On Icecast you have a mount point and a username. The username is not always required, but if you have the option to input it, you better do. And by default it's just source. You can change that on your panel in a enable stream or your virtual DJs or the RO DJ stream. Sorry, you can change that, but by default these ones are the two that I work with, source and /live. Now we need the password. I'm going to my panel, which is this one. This is what a panel in a enable stream looks like. So you get your source password here, and we paste it and finished. Same thing, 48,000 sample rate, MP3, 320 kilobits a second to ensure the best sound quality possible. And we are going to reconnect. It's connected to server, and we are going to start streaming and see if it works. Let's give it a shot. It's working, and it's playing a jingle because I forgot. God damn it, I'm a dumbass. No, don't play intro file. But okay. So it's working, it's streaming. Now let's see if it's gonna work on Second Life as it should. Alright, go here, we paste it. As you can see, your mount point is right after the URL. That's one of the changes of Shortcast. You need to add the mount point to the URL. Just details. Okay, give it an enter and press play and see what it does. So it's working perfectly fine, and that's about it. That's how you set up your Shortcast or Icecast stream on RadioBOSS. I hope this video was helpful. If you have any questions, if you have any issues, if you have any problems with your stream, if you rented one from me, please don't hesitate on contacting me either by Second Life through Lightman or on my website and Facebook page. I'm more than willing to help you out as soon as possible. Alright, thank you so much for watching. Again, I hope it was helpful, and see you guys.